Check out this gluten-free and dairy-free quiche, guys. How did I make it? Let's take a look at the ingredients.
Hey guys, welcome to the Anti-Inflammatory kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today, in preparation for Christmas or any other festivals you have coming up, I like to go ahead and make my gluten-free and dairy-free quiche. And I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. So first, I'm going to go ahead and make the crust. And for the crust, I'm going to use 1.5 cups of gluten-free flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is in this packet. I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is over here, 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using truffle oil. You can use any oil, that's fine. Avocado oil or any oil you have, you can use that. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of coconut oil too, and this is my replacement for shortening. A 1/4 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, or a tablespoon of flax seeds over here. Replacement of eggs, I'm going to use my flax seed mixture, and I'm going to mix that with 3 tablespoons of cold water. Okay, so this is 1/2 of it. And for the main mixture, I'm going to use 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper. I like a little bit of a kick in my quiche, so I'm going to use a little bit of 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/2 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, a smaller percentage than the cardamom. I'm going to use about 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm going to use about a 1/2 cup cheese. This is gluten-free, dairy-free, lactose-free, etc. I'm going to use 1 onion, 2 chopped peppers in this. This I have to cook, and I'm just going to use about 4 links of this, and I'll first go ahead and cook this. So let me go ahead and do this bit by bit, so we won't miss out any step. Okay, the first step in all this is I'm going to go ahead and make the flaxseed mixture. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of gluten-free flour. Two tablespoons of sugar. Let me put 1 packet. Let me put the other packet in it. This is 1. Okay, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A 1/4 cup of oil, and I just have that much remaining in here. I'm going to go ahead and add truffle oil. Of course, you can use any other oil. Okay, this is a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Put that in there.
Your coconut oil is used as a replacement for shortening.
Okay, a 1/4 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Any apple cider vinegar will do. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and pour my flaxseed mixture in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some cold water to this. Let me first mix this up together. Okay, now I got my dough mixed up over here, and I'm just going to let it sit for a while I go ahead and make the inside of the quiche. Okay, for the inside of the quiche, first I'm going to go ahead and make the sausages. it's been 10 minutes and my meat is done. I'm going to put the gas off and move it to the side. Let me go ahead and start to cut my vegetables. Okay, I'm going to cut the onion. Actually, in place of 2 of these, I think I'm going to just use 1 pepper. Okay, now that I got my veggies and onions and peppers cut up, I'm going to go ahead and make my flaxseed mixture. Okay, in the meantime, I got my sausages here, which were done in the pan. Just going to go ahead and give them a rough chop. And put my onions in here. Next, I'm going to throw in my meat in here. Run it overboard. And then I'm going to go ahead and add about a cup of coconut milk as well.
And dairy-free cheese.
First, I got a half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Okay, I got a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Just a little bit. Just want to give it a slight taste. 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Okay, put the garam masala in. Some chili powder. I'm going to give this a stir. Gentle. Okay, a quick taste. Let's see if everything is okay. It is missing some salt. So I'm going to put some salt in there. Okay, finally, I'm also going to add my flaxseed mixture in here, which is a replacement for eggs. Now stir this up. Okay, while the liquid is cooling down, I got my pan over here. I'm going to go ahead and first put some oil on it. I'm going to put the paste this in here. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven 350 bake for just 5 minutes. Okay, now that this mixture has cooled down a bit, I'm going to pour it gently with a cake. Okay, now that the oven is preheated, gently. I'm going to put for 350. I'm going to bake first for about 20 minutes. Would you look at that? So the first 20 minutes of this has been done. I kept it out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some cheese. This is the Life cheese, which is 100% dairy-free, sugar-free.
Then I'm going to go ahead and cover this loosely with foil.
Okay, now I'll go ahead and pop this in the oven for another 20 minutes at 350. I have it at 350 and I'm going to do this for another 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 40 minutes in total. I just brought it out of the oven. I'm going to let it sit for a little while and then I'll open it and try to taste this. Okay, it's time to open this and I can't wait to see this. It smells so good. Oh wow, oh it's looking fabulous. Wow, look at this, guys. You know, who says that if you're gluten-free, dairy-free, or tomato-free, you're going to miss out on this? You won't. You just have to make it the way you want to make it, the way you can eat it, and it's going to be just as tasty. Okay, now let me go ahead and try this, guys. Okay, taking the crust and the meat. The crust is perfect. The meat is so good, it's very tasty. This is so good, guys. So easy to make. You need to try this, guys. Thank you for watching this, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this a like and subscribe so you can get more access to more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. Have a great day, guys.